Hi and welcome to our today's booty burner. You need a light pair of weights if you want to intensify today's workout. We don't have many exercises today, but we will play a little bit with the music. So the music and I will push and motivate you through the burn. Make sure to do a warm-up first, and then let's jump straight into the first exercise. We're gonna start at the side. So find the perfect position here at the beginning. Bend your legs and bring heels, hips, and shoulders into one line. All right, and then let's take it down and grab one weight here. I'm using 1 kilogram. Here into the back of the knee. All right, and then bring the fingertips onto the mat. Roll the shoulder back and down. Make sure to stack both shoulders above each other. Activate your core. Draw the navel in towards the spine, and then let's lift the leg slowly on 4 counts. So we have 4, 3, 2, and lower down slowly and controlled. Good work. Again, up, up. So work with the music, with the beats. Try to count the music. So count with me. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and down. 2, 3. You got it. Up on 4 and down on 4. When you got it, speed it up. You have up, 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 and down, 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 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and down, 2, 3. Good. That's the rhythm for the first round. Up for 4 and down for 4. And breathe. Lift and lower the leg in one piece here. Good. Listen carefully. For the next round, we're gonna lift the leg for 3 counts and we'll lower for 1 count. You got it? Let's try this. So you have 3, 2, 1, and drop. 3, 2, 1, and drop. 3, 2, 1, and drop. Good. That's the rhythm. Lift, 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 drop. Lift, 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 drop. Good. Half time is already over. Let's go for 8 more rounds. Press the lower leg into the mat and breathe. Fill the lungs with oxygen. Woo! Good. We will switch. So we're gonna lift on count 1 and lower for 3 counts. So you're up, down, 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 up, down, down. You got the new rhythm? Count with me. 1 and 3, 2, 1. Up, 3, 2, 1. Up. Woo! And if you feel the burn here in your side booty, then you're at the right place here. Up, down, 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 up. Woo! 4 more. 3. Oh my gosh, 2. Hold it at the highest point, and we're gonna pulse it out together for 8. Ooh, if it's too much, skip the weight. Keep pulsing here. Good work. The last 4. 3. This is where the magic happens. Stick to it. And the last round. 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Oh my gosh. Shake it out. Good. The lateral glutes made a good job. Before we switch over to the side, we're gonna meet on the back. Maybe grab another weight if you want to. We're gonna focus now on the glute max, the big booty here. A very strong muscle, so feel free to pick another weight. And then put the weights here onto your pubic bone here around. Heels under the knees, and we're gonna lift for 4 counts. Good. And lower for 4 counts slowly. Good. Feet open, shoulder width apart, and lower. Relax the shoulders. Again, you have 4 counts up. And 4 counts down. Control your knees. Don't allow them to fall inwards. Press the heels into the mat. And when you got that, let's speed it up with the music. Up, 2, 3, 4, and down, 2, 3. Still work with control. Muscle-mind connection. Think about the muscles which are working here. And it's the big booty, the glute max, the lower back muscles, the back thighs here. Good. Up, 2, 3, 4, down. All right, listen carefully. We're gonna play with the music. We're gonna lift the pelvis for 3 counts and drop for 1 count. Got it? Count with me. Let's go. You have 3, 2, 1, and drop. 3, 2, 1, and drop. Woo! drop. 3, 2, 1, drop. Up, 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 down. You got the rhythm? Keep going. The music is leading you through. And up, 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 down. Down. All right, we're gonna switch. Up for 1 and down for 3. Let's go. Up, down, down, down. Up, down, down, down. Up, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Oh yes. Enjoy. Face, embrace the challenge. The muscle starts to grow. You start to grow. Strong from the outside, strong from the inside. Amazing. 4, 3. You know what's next? It's the finisher. Hold at the top. We're gonna pulse it out for 8, 7. Make sure you have all the weight on your shoulders, not on the neck. Keep the neck long. Oh yes, make it work. Let's go. 4, 3, 2, 1, and roll down. Oh, relax for a second. And in your break, switch around. Good job. Woo. All right, find the perfect position again with your heels, hips, and shoulders in one line. Take it down again. And whenever you're ready, bring the weight here into the back of the knee. Fingertips on the mat, shoulder back and down. And then let's start slowly again. Find the activation in your core. And all the way down. 3, 2, 1. Try to count the music. 3, 2, 1, and down. 3, 2, 1. Good. Let's go for 2 more like this. I love working out with the music, so the time is running so fast. Up, up, up. Good. And down. Can we make it? Double time. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and down. 2, 3, 4. Up, 2, 3. Relax the shoulders. Up and down. And up and down. Make sure to lift and lower the leg parallel. So don't allow the knee to lead. All right, ready? Up for 3, down for 1. Let's go. Up, 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 drop. Lift, 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 drop. Woo! Yes, come on. Down, 3, 2, 1, drop. 3, 2, 1, drop. You got it? Let's go for 8 more. Here we go. Let the breath flow. Enjoy the music. Huh? 4 more like this. And then we switch. Up for 1, down for 3. Let's go. So yeah, up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. Press the lower leg into the mat. Stack both shoulders above each other. Close the rib arches. Activate the core. Yes, Cap was also coming to motivate us. Up, woo, up, up. Just for more. Up. Yes. See, Capo is motivating you. Hold it at the top. I'm gonna pulse it out for 8. Oh yes, enjoy the burn. I can feel it as well. So you're at the right place. Come on, come on. The last 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax the leg. Oh my gosh. This was a quick but intense and effective workout. Good job. Don't forget to give your muscles a good stretch after this intense workout, so make sure to check out my stretching programs in my online studio over here, or make sure to continue with this free YouTube workout over here. See you there.